What's up, everyone? My name is Daniel Dent, and today I'll be showing you the correct way of how to do a pull-up. So stay tuned. So when you do a pull-up, the main goal with the pull-up is being able to hold your body weight. A lot of people have a hard time of just being able to hold their body weight. But I want you to think of progression over perfection. It takes time to really be able to hold your body weight. So I'm gonna show you like the short reps, then I'm gonna show into the progression, like the perfected rep of doing the pull-up. So if you just starting off, if you're a beginner with pull-ups and you just want to learn how to be able to pull yourself up with no issues, start working on just going to the bar and just hanging, just being able to feel your body weight. Just get your body used to holding yourself up. So over time, it might take a couple months, but over time, get to a point where you can bend your elbow just a little bit. So you just pull yourself up just a little bit. And over time, you'll be able to pull yourself up a lot. Then you'll get to a point where you can get over the bar. When you get over the bar, that's when you perfect it. So my main role, or my main goal of this exercise is squeezing this my back blades. These are my lat muscles. So if you can engage these muscles, you're perfecting this exercise. So it takes progression to get to that perfected state. If this was helpful for you, like, share, subscribe. See you on the next video.